Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
No, Matt.
On this Saturday's Core series, we're exploring DeKuyper's Root Beer flavored schnapps. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, aren't you so happy?
I am. You know who's also going to be happy? Steve A. He's happy because this is DeKuyper's Root Beer Schnapps. In fact, Root Beer Schnapps was the very first thing I ever bought legally at a liquor store in a little crappy portable building in San Angelo, Texas. And I still actually have the bottle. It was a little 375 flask kind they used to make back in the day. So I'm like, that sounds great. It was like $6 because you're a poor college student. So I'm like, yeah, these things still these are the 750s. They cost all of $10, not even $10, like $9. This thing is at 20%, of course, 40 proof. It's made to taste like an old-fashioned root beer. Some fun cocktails are the Root Canal, the Apple Beer, the Ginger Beer Flop, the Root Beer Freeze. It said it's made with rich, dark root beer flavors. I'm like, well, what else should it be made with? So let's what we think of this. DeKuyper, see how much Will really thoroughly enjoys this.
I don't enjoy root beer typically.
Ooh,
I
even
don't enjoy sweetness typically. So these are right up my alley.
Totally. It smells like root beer and vanilla. And that's about it.
It does. It smells like a root beer float.
It smells great. I love root beer. Is one of my absolute favorite kinds of soda. So I love this stuff. And I might have been through a few bottles of this in my life as well. Not recently, but definitely in my early days. I bought many bottles of this.
It even smells carbonated.
Oh, it does. Exactly. It really smells carbonated. Totally. It smells, and you can smell the vanilla ice cream in there. I mean, it smells awesome.
It smells like the vanilla ice cream, like fizzing and bubbling up at your nose.
Totally. It smells to me the most I'm trying to think if it's more like A&W or Barks. It smells like Barks to me.
It's Barks.
Yeah, that's what I think. It's Barks.
Sarah doesn't drink Barks. Sarah drinks A&W. I know the difference.
I drink whichever one's on sale.
Oh, see, she has a very good preference. I don't like either. I think that root beer is disgusting. So, yay.
So even better. All right, Let's see. Now we're going to watch Will enjoy drinking this as we all can see how much he thoroughly loves this.
Oh, my gosh, so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's liquid candy.
Oh, it really is. It's those little root beer barrel candies. And then you took them and put them in a root beer float. So it has that root beer, the vanilla. It still has that carbonated feeling, too.
Yeah. It's still very root beer float, though. It's much more vanilla than I was anticipating. It ends with a vanilla sweetness. It does not end with that star anise. It does not end with those typical like licorice or anything like that notes.
No. It's like a vanilla cream filling.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
a vanilla cream.
I personally love this. I didn't think you'd be a fan, but I think it's great. Yeah. I think that they nailed exactly what they were going for.
I agree with you.
Root beer or root beer float would be amazing.
If you are a younger college student, freshly turned 21, that doesn't typically enjoy the harshness that alcohol brings,
there's none in this.
This in a root beer. I mean, I hate that it's all that sugar on your system, but man, the alcohol would just disappear. You would not.
Totally.
You would have a hard time tasting the alcohol if you mixed 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces of this with a 12-ounce can of root beer.
Mix it with diet, so no sugar from your soda. There's plenty in this.
Yeah, well, that's for sure.
So, no, I like it. I think it's quite tasty. But I generally like almost all of DeKuyper's products, so fine by me.
What do you think?
Hello, Tonks.
She's not
horribly offended.
No, I'm not thinking that was a seal of approval.
She's like, I'm going to show you my butt now. See ya.
Yeah, we'll see. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic. Come hang out with us there, or come join us at the Whiskey Castle. You can book your own tasting. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.